Will AI replace our jobs? Is it already too late? Well, today we're diving into the exciting realm of AI and its profound impact on our roles as UX designers. We'll discover some clever ways to jazz up your design game using the latest AI tools that not only streamline workflows, but also take user experience to the next level. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Let's first start by defining AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence by machines. It involves creating algorithms that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. AI enables machines to process data, learn from it, and make predictions or decisions based on that data, helping them perform tasks more autonomously and effectively. There are many types of AI, but we'll focus on two types of AI in this video. One that we may have all heard of before is, you guessed it, ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is known as a natural language processing, or NLP, model, and is designed to generate human-like text responses based on the input it receives, making it particularly adept in tasks such as conversations, text generation, question answering, and content creation. Other types of AI tools focus on visuals and imagery rather than text, such as Midjourney or DALL-E. AI is all around us, and it often makes us wonder, how might we leverage AI tools throughout our design process? You have to consider the fact that while AI may be able to perform certain aspects of human intelligence, there are several key qualities and abilities that UX designers possess that AI does not, such as empathy and understanding, interpersonal skills, and human intuition. Personally, I think that there is a huge opportunity for AI to complement our day-to-day tasks, such as synthesis of insights and data, creation of personas and journeys, and more. This allows designers more time to focus on designing human-centric products. In terms of ideation and brainstorming, ChatGPT works great to gather insights on market trends in a specific niche, or just design trends in general. It can help in the generation and creation of personas, like stated earlier, and journey mapping, and helping you to formulate cohesive problem statements. During research, AI can be leveraged to generate more specific and tailored research and survey questions, research planning, and synthesis of insights. Some of the tools that are used to optimize this process are Otter.ai, Dovetail, Qualtrics, and even UserZoom. A few of the other ways that you can use ChatGPT in your UX design process include content generation. For example, a call to action button label, web page titles, and any supporting text that you need for your design. You can also use it to summarize articles or any information on a web page during your secondary research process, and to articulate design rationale, best practices, and usability guidelines. Now, there are some cons to using AI. First is over-reliance, leading to a lack of creativity and innovation. Second would be lack of transparency. Algorithms can be complex and opaque, making it unclear as to how they arrive at their decisions. Third is that AI systems can inherit biases present in the data that they are trained on. This leads to biased outcomes or decisions that disproportionately impact a certain group, and this can lead to discrimination. Now let's jump over and play around with some of the different ways that ChatGPT and Midjourney can be used in your UX role. Hey guys, so I've jumped into ChatGPT and I'm going to show you guys how I leverage ChatGPT in my day-to-day as a UX designer. For the first example, let's say that we are designing a landing page for a retail site. The first thing that I'm going to want to do is look at some of those market trends. So I'm going to put in a prompt here that I've already pre-typed. So we're going to put in, you are a UX designer, analyze the current design trends in the retail industry. I'm going to hit enter here, and let's see what we get. Another way that I often use ChatGPT is with the content generation, which I mentioned earlier. So you can use it to generate a label for a call to action. And I'm going to show you what that would look like. So I have a prompt here, give me 10 options for a call to action, prompting users to start shopping. So I'm going to first show you an example of when you're not very specific and what you will get from that. So as you can see, you obviously can't put this much text on a call to action button in a mobile app or on a web page. I was not very specific in my prompt, as you can see. So this is the results that it gave me. So I'm going to try an example that's a little bit more specific and just kind of show you the difference in the responses. So here I have give me 10 options for a call to action button for a mobile, prompting users to start shopping. We can even say instead of mobile for a web page, since that's what we're doing, we're designing a web page for a retail store, and just hit enter and see what it gives us. So now it gives us a little bit more realistic options to have on a small button that would be presented on a web page. 10 call to action buttons for a web page prompting users to start shopping, get started, browse and buy, shop today. So these are all great options that you could utilize for your web page. Another great way to use this site when you're designing a web page or in your design process is to create the information architecture for your site or your app. So I'm going to put in a prompt here and just show you all how I use it to do this. So you would say, describe the information architecture for the landing page for a retail store. The purpose is to get to the users to shop more. So I'm going to hit enter. And here you can see that it's giving you all of those intricate details that go into the information architecture. You've got your hero section, your featured products and collections, promotions and offers, personalized recommendations, customer testimonials, and content sections, as well as your footer. So this is a great way to kind of generate some ideas if you're feeling stuck in terms of what pages you want to include or what sections you'd like to include within that web page. This is a great way to kind of get those ideas and creative juices flowing. So now we're going to hop over to Midjourney, and I'll show you guys how you can use Midjourney to help you to generate ideas for a landing page. Okay, so when you first get to midjourney.com, this is what the initial page looks like. I always hit join the beta. If you don't have an account with them yet, you'll have to set up an account on Discord, and then you can pay for your subscription and everything there. So once you get all of that set up, you'll be in a screen that looks similar to this. And what I like to do is just click on any one of these newbie rooms here where you can kind of type your prompts. And as you can see, there are people who have already been generating images. So this shows you everyone's images that they've been generating. So, okay. So what you'll do is you'll come here to the bottom and you'll do a / you'll type in imagine, hit enter, and then you can type in your prompt. So the prompt I'm going to give it is, let's see, I want a web page for a retail store that uses warm colors and what else do we want? It is minimalistic. Since that was one of the features that's common in this market right now. So I'm also going to type in 2 dashes and then I'm going to type in a V because we want it to be on version 5, which is the newest version of Midjourney. And then hit enter. So as you can see, that's my prompt down here. So it's waiting to start. There are other prompts coming in as mine are coming in. So let's see here. It's at 0% right now. So we'll just give that some time to kind of work through. Okay, here we go. So it's starting to generate some images here. It's kind of blurry right now. All right, here we go. So these are the landing page options that it has presented to me. It's a retail store that uses warm colors and is very minimalistic. So we can click on them, look at these ideas here. It has the call to action. This one's very different and unique. And so from here, what you could do is you could select whichever version that you like here. So if I like option 2, I can select U2, and then it would open that one up. And then if I wanted to, I could make variations of this. So I would hit make variations, and then it would generate additional options based off of this specific variation that I liked. So that is a little bit on how you can use this to kind of help you with your wireframing and maybe mid-fidelity designing of your landing page or mobile app or whatever it may be. Also, if you just need images to use on your site that are copyright free, this is a great way to generate some of those images as well. So as you can see here, it's given me additional variations of this web page, and things are slightly different on it. It looks like the footer is different, as well as the main section here at the top. So yeah, you could play around with that. You can download the images when you're ready. Once you've selected which one that you like, then it'll give you the option to open that in your browser, or you can view it at a larger scale to kind of really immerse yourself and get the full experience. So hopefully that was helpful for you all. If there's anything that you know that maybe I didn't show, then please let me know. Now, in summary, striking a balance between trusting AI and harnessing its capabilities alongside your own understanding is crucial. Prioritizing comprehension of user needs, goals, and motivations remains paramount. Soft skills and empathetic understanding of human emotions remain areas where humans excel over AI tools. Therefore, it's essential to view AI as simply a supplementary tool rather than a replacement for human decision making. The accessibility and user-friendliness of AI tools make them accessible to everyone, regardless of your expertise level. So it's imperative to use these tools to design experiences focused on human needs rather than solely on technological aspects. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Again, if you're new here, please subscribe. It doesn't cost a thing. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Also, if you have any questions on the way that I use ChatGPT or Midjourney, also leave them in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye for now.